everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based no oil guilt-free recipes, and today it's all about sauces. I hope you guys watched my video that I did on using jalapenos to make 4 different sauces, and this is the second one in that series, and this one is a spicy Asian style chili sauce, and the ingredients are really very straightforward and simple. I have these beautiful red jalapenos. I'm going to add rice vinegar because this is an Asian sauce. Rice vinegar is perfect for it, for that acidity to balance of the heat, and then bunch of garlic powder in there. You can use fresh garlic, but I'm going to use garlic powder and then salt per taste. So I'm going to go and blend this jalapeno into a chunky paste, and we'll start making sauce in a minute. Now, just word of caution, when making this sauce, make sure there is a good ventilation either with your exhaust fan and window, because it is going to get hot and pungent in here because of the vinegar and the heat from the jalapenos. So I just blended those jalapenos into this chunky puree. You can see the vibrant color from the jalapenos. Absolutely beautiful. So for the spicy Asian chili sauce, as I said, the ingredients are very simple. I have chunky puree of that jalapeno cooking here, and to that I'm adding approximately half a cup of rice wine vinegar. I may adjust the vinegar in the end once everything is blended well in, and in there we are going to add two tablespoons of garlic powder. This one requires a little extra garlic powder because it doesn't have any other flavoring in it. And then just a little bit of salt. In fact, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. As I say, usually I don't add salt to food, but these sauces are going to last us for a long time, and it needs a little bit of salt to preserve the sauces, because remember, we are not adding any additives and preservatives, and that's the biggest advantage of making these sauces at home, because first of all, it costs literally pennies. They are going to last you throughout the year, and doesn't contain any additive like BHA, sodium benzoate, MSG that is commonly found in these store-bought sauces, and the flavor is just amazing here. So I have a Mexican sauce that is cooking on the back burner, that is coming together really well. I have this Asian chili sauce now, spicy Asian chili sauce cooking. I'm going to cover it partially to make sure that it doesn't splutter all over me. Okay, so this is how my spicy Asian chili sauce has turned out. It's thick, it stopped spluttering, and it formed those small wells on the surface, which means that it is done. So I'm going to allow it to cool down completely and put it in the glass jars. Okay, so this is the Asian style spicy chili sauce. Very simple recipe. It has a very nice aroma. I just tried it, and it is a blend of spicy, salty, and a little bit of tanginess. So just perfect blend of these 3 pretty strong flavors, and it can be used in stir fry or stir it in your ramen noodles, or even if you are making any kind of Asian salad dressing, you can just add a tidbit of it in salad to enhance the flavor of any salad or vegetable. A very nice standalone sauce, free of all the preservatives, no additives, no artificial color, no sodium benzoate, no sorbet, potassium sorbet, so all good to go. and it will last for at least 6 to 8 months if you store it properly. Make sure that when you want to use it, you just scoop small amount in another bowl, put the lid back on and put it in the refrigerator. Don't leave it open for too long, and don't go back and forth with your spoon. Also, make sure that you watch my video on the health benefits of jalapenos to learn more about these peppers that I have used in this sauce. So thank you again for watching my guilt-free recipe videos and sending comments and suggestions. I do really appreciate it, and I hope you guys will make this sauce and make your next meal powerful. Thank you.